Hey everyone. So we're checking in a lot today because we've got a really great iExcel going on. We've got a lot of students who have signed up to join the school and who are attending the orientation today. So it's a nice big one. So we're going to check in and out throughout, see how it's going. Maybe you'll see some familiar faces that you recommended to be here. I hope you did and continue to do so because you're seeing the benefits of your high school diploma, so help others see theirs. So let's go around the corner here and take a quick peek. We're not all the way through yet. We still have lots of students in the break room, and so we'll go peek at them too. All right. So Joanne's chatting it up with a classroom that's almost full here.
Yeah, we got like
Group one's looking good.
60.
You're group two, right? Go to?
Yep, we're
Yeah.
group two.
All right. Okay, still some check-ins. Lots of check-ins going on. Coaches are ready to get availability. 2 more student council members and Miss Sarah. Group one's looking good. Getting full.
Hello everybody, welcome to Excel Center. No, you go right down here first.
Group three's getting full. We're looking good. Somebody's ready for Halloween. Getting pictures taken and signed in. So it doesn't look like we have a bunch more people, but check this out. Hi Jeff, say hi to Facebook.
Hello, hello.
Okay, we're gonna come around the corner here. Check this out. Look at all of them waiting to still sign in. We're sending them back in groups of like 5.
She's our science teacher. You see her walking around here, she's doing Facebook Live. So if you want, while you're sitting here bored, if you want to look us up on Facebook and like us, make sure you like the Kokomo Excel Center page. There's several of them now. So you can tell them what year Gloria graduated from the Excel Center. That's just a way for us to kind of get information.
How awesome is that? We've got 3 nearly full rooms and a nearly full break room still waiting to sign in. We're gonna have a great new class. This is gonna be so much fun. So I'm gonna do a little more Facebook Live than I normally do, and because we've got more groups to check in on.